Oh, again! He beat me again! Every day, that stupid early bird gets the worm.
I guess that's why they always say, neither a borrower nor a lender be. I mean, the early bird catches the worm.
Well, when they said that, they didn't count on Timon.
Yes, we did.
Yeah? Well, we'll see. I'll set this alarm clock really early, so I'll be the first one to get the worm.
Timon, 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 why must you torture yourself so?
Why? Because every single day, that bird gets the juiciest worms in the Serengeti, and I want my share.
But Timon, can't you see it goes against the nature of things? Summer will always turn to fall, April showers will always bring May flowers, and the early bird will always catch the worm. It's his job, it's his nature. That's why they call him the early bird.